Okay, so let's look at this problem and see if we can solve one of them, and if you can solve the other one after doing this one. Okay, so I'm not going to solve both. 2x plus 5 is less than 3. Okay, just solve them both simultaneously. Yeah, so you're really just solving 2 and then intersecting the answers, okay? So you have y, so yx plus 3, we know how to graph it, right? That's going to help you. So if you know how to graph it, it might help you organize a lot of this stuff, okay? So this is x plus 3, and the absolute value won't allow it to go negative. So when it gets to negative, it reflects up. Okay, and it has to be big. So this is 3, this is minus 3. And then we're trying to look for the values that are bigger than 1. Okay, so we're looking for these values. Okay, and then you have this 2x plus 5, which is steeper and intersects higher. Okay, obviously the absolute value reflects it up. Now we're looking for it to be less than 3. So we're looking in between these values. So can you see when x is equal to what is it, minus 2, okay, this will be equal to 1. So that's where this is going to be. And if you want it to be minus 1, you're going to be at minus 4. Okay. So for this, the answer would be, if it was on its own, x is less than minus 4, or x is greater than minus 2. Okay. For this to be 3, x would be minus 1. Okay, so this would be minus 1. For this to be minus 3, x would be minus 4. Okay, minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Now, but this is between minus 1 and minus 4. Okay, and then we're trying to see what parts of these two overlap. Okay, so if x has to be less than minus 4, okay, it's not going to intercept with stuff that's greater than minus 4. Okay, so that's out. But if x is greater than minus 2, it would intersect with the stuff that would be greater than minus 2, but less than minus 1. Okay, so maybe this number line thing does help you decide what the overlaps are. See, so if you had minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, right? So we're looking for less than minus 4, greater than minus 2, and then we're trying to overlap it with greater than minus 4 and less than minus 1. So here. Alright, so can you see that the only parts that overlap is this part? Okay, so that's exactly what our answer is going to be. X is greater than minus 2 and less than minus 1. Okay, and having the pictures there really does help you feel right and like have to consider less possibilities.